ReproXMath. We'll be looking into question 2, wrapping up the exam question paper. It's 29 March 2019. So we are going to look into question 2.1. So 2.1, we need to differentiate y equals 2x to the power 4 in bracket tan 4x in terms of x by using product rule. So we need to differentiate the following function in terms of x by using product rule. So we know that according to product rule, if let's say we utilize the u and v, let's say y is given by u times v. According to, let's say, the national formula sheet now, when we're derivating, we know that the first thing we're going to multiply by the first function and derivate the second function that is multiplying. So we're going to derivate the function in terms of x. Therefore, we're going to say plus. Now, in the second term, we are going to derivate the first function, which was u. We derivate it in terms of x. Therefore, multiply by the second function. So we have du over dx multiplied by v. The first term is u times dv over dx. So if you want, in the case now, you can say you want to let this first function to be equals to u, and the second function, which is tan 4x. So you can let it to be equals to v. So you know that when you are derivating a function, the second function will be the v. The first function is it's u, so which is x to the power 4 u, and tan 4x, it is v. So let us change the function in terms of x utilizing product rule. So, but first of all, we need to check if the function is fully simplified out. So we are given a function which is simplified, so we can change it in terms of x. So we'll have dy, we're derivating y in terms of x, dy over dx is equals 2. So we're going to multiply by x to the power 4. But we are going to multiply by the derivative of tan 4x. So derivative of tan, we know the key function tan is derivated, we're going to get sec squared multiplied by 4x. Sec squared 4x angle to see. Therefore, we need to multiply the whole function, the trigonometric function, by its derivative of the angle. So must not always forget. So this brings the change of function. So we need to multiply by the derivative of 4x, which is 4. So we must always derivate accordingly. In most of the lessons, we explained how to derivate trigonometric functions. It is always the function multiplied by the derivative of the angle, so which is 4 now here. And therefore, I'm going to say plus below here to save space. So we are going to derivate now x to the power 4. So x to the power 4 is going to be 4x cubed. So we derivated the first function now, but we need to multiply by tan 4x. We are done, just like that. We are done derivating the following function. If you want to simplify further, you can only take out the common factor of, okay, in fact, before I do that, let me multiply by 4 in the first function so you can see the highest common factor. We have sec squared 4x. And please don't make a mistake and think it's multiplying the angle. This constant here is multiplying the whole trigonometric function, the sec squared. So that's why we have 4x squared. And therefore plus 4x cubed multiplied by tan 4x. From there you can get a total mark, but if you wanted to express maybe in simplest form, like maybe in factor 4, we can take out the common factor here of 4x cubed. So we'll be left with x sec squared 4x plus, we have taken this as a common factor, we'll be left with tan 4x. And close the bracket. And therefore, that will be the solution for 2.1.